It's the same height this way. The overall height.
Yeah, the overall height is.
Kibble cuts it down.
Higher.
I told you they make these guys longer than that.
But yeah, they are.
So Kibble gives you more length. I mean, the aftermarket guy, whoever this is, I don't know if these are Rowe or Dixie or whoever the hell made them. Pretty hard material or whatever it is, but it does cut.
They are the same height though.
So, just want to give you a little more. Even we're shortening it on this side, but we gain more over here.
Right.
So this is actually a better guide for using than the Kibble for that reason. Now it's just a matter of how much clearance we give it for that, because we didn't give enough clearance for that. And see how close this is going to be.
Yeah, that's about the 100 thou you're missing.
That's 150.
Yeah, that's about the 100 thou you're missing there.
Yeah, that's because I didn't add the numbers in right, but yeah. But we cut it long.
We did.
So it's not too long. So now we put the seal on it. It'll be the same height as this one, right? Probably not.
Mm-mm.
It's because I didn't shorten it very much.
Mm-hmm.
So right now we're way above. Right now you couldn't use it because the seal would hit hard.
Mm-hmm.
So that's probably big tall seals. They hit pretty hard. But see, I did have a little gap in here, so it'll go down and not suck all out the bottom.
Right.
It'll work. Okay, let's go measure. I gotta go measure. I gotta not measure. I gotta go see what a cam lift is that we gotta deal with. I'll recalculate my numbers, and we'll figure out how much we're gonna shorten this. But I think the 700 height is good overall. But we can make it 750 overall by just not dropping it down the extra amount we need to drop it right now. Right now we need to go down at least 100 thou minimum.
Mm-hmm.
And it's 150 is what the seal is above this. So you can see right there we got 150 up.
Mm-hmm.
So I can at least shorten this 150 on both sides, this side and this side. So you can see how my setup tool is going to be once I dial it in. I'll know what the numbers are. Once I know what this diameter is here that I didn't look at, I'll know what diameter that was. And we can make them all the same. Do a production run. Shorten them up. Because I got to do about 6 or 7 guides because I don't know what they're going to be until I beat them in. And I don't want to cut them. Now if I use this cutter here to cut it, it was going to cut it big, but see now it looks like it's cutting it the right size. See, I could just use this cutter to cut it. But see, it cuts it shorter, 400. It'll definitely bottom out on the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
But I can cut it with this. It also puts a big chamfer in there too. I thought I measured this cut was cutting big. Yeah, looks like it cuts 5/8. So that means I can take a tool right here, right in there, and do it that way if I want to seal the bottom out down here.
Yeah.
Because this tool cuts 390, as I recall, from the tip to there.
Mm-hmm.
So the seal would bottom out all the way down here against there. And this is not a sealing edge, so whatever oil can suck up in there would try to suck into it.
Yeah.
Be a sucking problem, but we can do that. Theoretically, that much area of sealing won't suck any oil through the bottom. So I could use this to cut it. We can try one and see what it looks like, but we have another one right here. Needs to be cut. We just don't know how much. But it needs to be cut.
It does need to be cut.
We don't know what size it is either.
Big.
It needs to be big.
That's what size it currently
The
is.
problem is I can't use this
Why?
because it won't work.
Oh.
And we have to slow it down a lot. You don't want to be spinning this at high speed. Maybe faster than that though. It looks like it's too slow to me. Too fast. Too slow, too fast. Yeah. One of those deals. Let's see how it works with this thing. Okay.
Well, now you want oil.
Now I want oil. I can't sharpen this. I can sharpen these all day long. I think the speed's maybe a little bit too fast still, but we'll see. We'll see how it cuts. Definitely a big cut. Tight in there. Still lube, but getting tight. Okay. Cut that way down.
Mm-hmm.
How much do we need? 635. We got more to go.
Mm-hmm.
So we need 150 off, right? So we need to
From
get
650, yeah.
from 700.
From 700. So that's 600, correct?
No,
Why?
because it's 150 total. It's 150 up. So 700, 150 off of 700. It's 550. It's gonna be almost the same height as the guide. I'm thinking we're just gonna go all the way down. Well, if you don't lock this down, it doesn't work. $520.
A little short.
30's out. Get a little extra. Just to make sure. Looks different now. What diameter do you think it cut?
620.
Told you cut too small. It bites on. It's a little easier. It's rough. So it's a lot quicker doing it, but it's definitely rougher on it. Looks like more than 150.
Way more than 150. Yeah, that's way more than 150.
It's 175.
Sheesh.
Not way more than 150. It's 175. Okay, 174. I'm bad with math.
That's a lot.
We had to make room for the seal. See, now when you put the seal on there, which I don't want to put on all the way. Not on that one. on this one. Squash it all down, it'll be the same height.
Mm.
We are losing a lot of valve guide area though.
Yeah.
A lot.
Mm-hmm.
So we gotta figure out our valve lifts. Right now we got a lot of clearance in there. One advantage is this is the one I can beat in the head measurements with.
There you go.
It's a lot easier with that one. Yeah, but it goes in this one too. We've already beat it in. It already went in there once. The problem is I didn't have enough clearance from the guide was a problem.
Yeah, because it still needs to be honed.
I thought this one I opened up already, but maybe not. This might not be the one I opened up already.
No, the one we cut was probably the one you opened up.
Half it though. I think it was this one already. Yeah. It's definitely this one because it's smooth on the inside.
So you need to open it up some more.
You got almost some more? Got high spots on it?
High, low.
High, low spots?
Hey, look, it's one of those little mandrels.
It looks like I was already over here doing this. There you go. It's almost like I already did this once. Why is the machine not going down a little bit? That goes all the way down. I was hitting on something. Okay, I'll be back.